Hi guys, it's the Loose Cannons here, and today we'll be doing, well, we think it's a challenge. Well, we've both got colds, and our friend gave us these cough sweet things.
He said they're great. Hopefully they're not like a trick, but he said to do it on camera, so that's what we're doing.
Okay guys,
two.
So
We're going to take two at once.
So yeah, okay, ready, set, go.
What says to do this on camera?
Oh! I think I know why.
Is this some kind of... He just been sick. Is this kind of trick or something?
I knew it.
Should have guessed. The fuck are these? Drugs or something? I think you're just taking drugs. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh. Guys, I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh. You too.
I'll be back in a second, guys.
Same.
Fire! Fire!
Okay. Right. After that disaster, we're never going to be trusting our friend again. So if you want more challenges like this, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what challenge you guys think we should do next. Loose Cannons, thanks for watching. A huge shout out to Cam the Penguin, McJugger Nuggets, and who else?
Cornykins today. Yeah.
Cornykins. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. See you later, guys.